Welcome to Logic's Hub. Can you find the value of this expression? If you are talented, then solve this question just in 40 seconds. Guys, we can know a card about KCF rule where K stand for keep, C stand for change and F stand for flip. We can write this as 4 times 4 times 4. KCF rule state that whenever you change division to multiplication, then denominator is changed to numerator and numerator is changed to denominator. So I can write this expression in the form of these. Okay, now from here guys, 4 times 4 equal to 16 times 4. From here 16 times 4 equal to 64. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue in this question, then comment. I will reply your question, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.